third part, radius is 7.7 meter. Area pi r square, pi 22 by 7 into radius 7.7 square. Now 22 by 7 into 7.7 square is 7.7 into 7.7. This 7 and 7.7 can be cancelled. 7 1 are 7 and 7 1.1 are 7.7. The next step, 22 into 1.1 into 7.7. Let us first multiply 22 by 1.1, that is 11. 11 twos are 22, 2 carries, 11 twos are 22, 22 plus 2, 24. And it will be 24.2 into 7.7. Now 242 into 77. 7 twos are 14, 1 carries. 7 fours are 28, 28 plus 1, 29, 2 carries. 7 twos are 14, 14 plus 2, 16. Again, we are multiplying 242 by 7, so this can be written again 1694. Now 4 is it is 9 plus 4, 13, 1 carries, 1 plus 6, 7, 7 plus 9, 16, 1 carries, 1 plus 1 2, 2 plus 6, 8, and this 1. So our area will be equal to 186.34 meter square. Okay. Now part number 4. In this part, radius is equals to 6.3 meters. So again this formula for area of circle, pi r square. Pi 22 by 7. R square. R is 6.3. So 6.3 square. 22 by 7 as it is, and 6.3 square will be 6.3 into 6.3. 7 ones are 7 and 7 0.9s are 6.3. Here 22 into 0.9 into 6.3. 22 into 9. 9 twos are 18. 1 carries. 9 twos are 18. 18 plus 1, 19. 19.8 into 6.3. Now, here see the multiplication, 198 into 63. 3 8s are 24, 2 carries. 3 9s are 27, 27 plus 2, 29, 2 carries. 3 1s are 3, 3 plus 2, 5. 6 8s are 48, 4 carries. 6 9s are 54, 54 plus 4, 58, 5 carries. 6 1s are 6, 6 plus 5, 11. Here 4, 9 plus 8, 17, 1 carries, 1 plus 5, 6, 6 plus 8, 14, 1 carries, 1 plus 1, 2, and this 1. So the area will be 124.74 meter square. This will be the area for the circle which is having radius 6.3 meters. Now the last part. In this part the radius is given 35 centimeter. So the area will be equal to pi r square. Now pi 22 by 7, r 35. So here 35 square. 22 by 7 into 35 square is 35 into 35. 7 ones are 7, 7 fives are 35. 22 into 5 into 35. 22 into 5, 110 into 35. Now we have to multiply this 35 by 110. So we will simply multiply this 35 by 11 and this 0 will come here as it is. 11 5s are 55, 5 carries, 11 3s are 33 plus 5, 33. So the area will be 3850 centimeter square. So students, what have we done in all these parts of question number 2? In all these parts, the values of radii of some circles were given, and we had to find out the area of those circles. So we have simply put the formula area equals to pi r square and calculated the required values for the areas. Now let's move to the question number 3. In question number 3, the value of areas are given and we have to find out the value of radius or diameters. As I have said you, in the third question, in all the parts, the value of areas are given, as you can see here, and we have to find out the value of diameters. In the first part, the value of area is 1386 centimeter square. So we will apply the formula area is equals to pi r square because the value of area is given. Now area 1386, so here 1386 is equals to pi 22 by 7 into r square as it is, because we have to find out the value of radius first, then after doubling this radius we can get the value of diameter. Now r square will be equal to 1386 into 7 by 22, because this 22 by 7 will be in its reciprocal form, that is 7 by 22 after going to left hand side of the equal to. Now r square will be equal to 11 2s are 22, 11 1s are 11, 2 11 1s are 11, 2 remainder 28, 11 2s are 22, 6 remainder and this becomes 66, 11 6s are 66. Again 2 1s are 2, 2 6s are 12 and 2 3s are 6. So r square is equals to 63 into 7. Now for finding the value of r, we will have to take this square root of both the sides, but before that we will simply factorize this 63, and the factors of 63 will be 9 into 7 and this 7. After taking the square root we get the square root of 9 is 3 and the square root of this 7 into 7 is 7. So the value of r will be 21 centimeters. What have we done? We have applied the formula for area is equals to pi r square because the value of area was given. That's why we have applied this formula. Now in the place of area 1386, because it is the value of area, equals to pi 22 by 7 into r square. Now r square will be equal to 1386 into 7 upon 22. 11 2s are 22 and 11 1s are 11. Again 11 2s are 22 and 11 6s are 66. And this 2 1s are 2 and 2 63s are 126. So r square is equal to 63 into 7. We have factorized this 63 and the factors of 63 are 9 into 7 into this 7. Now after taking the square root we get the square root of 9 is 3 and the square root of 7 into 7 is 7. So r will be equal to 21 centimeter. But we have to find out the value of diameter. So if radius is 21 centimeter, then what will be the diameter? 42 centimeter. So here we can simply write diameter equals to 42 centimeter in brackets. R is equal to 2d. Radius is always 2. Diameter is always 2 times of radius. That's why the value of diameter will be 42 centimeters. Now let's move to the second part. You will be able to understand it more clearly by solving this all parts. Now in this part the area is equal to 346.5. So here area is pi r square, and what is the value of area? 346.5 equals to pi 22 by 7 r square as it is. Now r square will be equal to 346.5 into 7 upon 22. Now if we remove this decimal from here, 1 0 will be placed here because there is one digit after the decimal. Now we can divide it by 11 directly. 11 2s are 22, 0 as it is. 11 3s are 33, 1 remainder, this becomes 16. 11 1s are 11, then 5 remainder, 11 5s are 55. So r square will be equal to 315 into 7 upon 20. Now either we can multiply these two and then take the square root of this, or we can simply make the factors of this 315. So r square will be equal to the factors of 315. You can see here 315. It will be divided by 5. 5 6 are 30, 1 remainder, and 5 3s are 15. 7 9s are 63 and 9 1s are 9. 5 into 7 into 9. So 315 will be equal to 5 into 7 into 9 into this 7 upon 20. Now this 5 and this 20 can be cancelled. 5 1s are 5, 5 4s are 20. R square will be equal to 7 into 9 into 7 upon 4. Now if we take the square root of this term, then the square root of r square will be r, and the square root of this, the square root of 7 into 7 will be 7, and the square root of 9 will be 3 upon the square root of 4 will be 2. If we take the square root of any rational number, you will have to take the square root of numerator and denominator both. So here the r will be 7 into 3 upon 2, that is equals to 21 by 2. Now to find the value of diameter, we will have to multiply this value by 2 because diameter is always 2 times of radius. So here the diameter will be equal to 2 into radius. So 2 into what is radius? 21 by 2. So here 21 by 2. 2 and 2 will be cancelled and the diameter is 21 centimeter. 3850. So area is equals to pi r square and area is 3850 equals to pi 22/7 into r square. Now in the next step r square will be equal to 3850 into 7 upon 22. Why so? Because this 22/7 will be in its reciprocal form after going to the left hand side of the equal to. Now 11 2s are 22, 11 3s are 33, 5 remainder 55, 11 5s are 55 and this 0 as it is. Now 2 1s are 2, 2 1s are 2, 1 remainder 15, 2 7s are 14 and 2 5s are 10. So r square will be equal to 175 into 7. Here again we will factorize this 175 for simpler calculation. R square equals to, just here see the factorization of 175. 5 3s are 15, 2 remainder 25, 5 5s are 25. Again 5 7s are 35 and 7 1s are 7. So the factors of 175 are 5 into 5 into 7. So here in the place of 175 we can write 5 into 7 and this 7 as it is. Now what will we do? We will take the square root of both the sides, and on taking the square roots of both the sides we get square root of r square is equals to r, and if we make pairs the square root of 5 into 5 is 5 and the square root of 7 into 7 is 7. So the radius is 35 meters. Now if the radius is 35 meters, then what will be the value of diameter? 70 meters. So the diameter will be equal to 70 meters because the diameter is always double of the radius. So the value of diameter will be equal to 70 meters. Now in the fourth part, the area is equals to 301.84 meter square. Let's put the formula. Area equals to pi r square. Area 301.84 equals to pi 22/7 into r square. Now this r square will be equal to 301.84 into 7/22. Okay. Now if we remove this decimal from here, we will have a 0 here. Now r square is equals to 3018 into 7 upon 220. Let us divide both these terms by 2 first. 2 1s are 2, 2 1s are 2, 0. 2 1s are 2, 1 remainder, 2 5s are 10. Again 1 cannot be divided by 2, that's why a 0 will be here, and 2 9s are 18. Now let's divide this by 11. 11 1s are 11 and 0. 11 1s are 11. 4 remainder. 11 3s are 33. 7. In this part, area is equals to 301.84. So here area equals to pi r square and area 301.84 equals to pi 22/7 into r square. Now in the next step, this r square will be equal to 301.84 into 7/22. If we remove this decimal from here, here will be 2 zeros because there are 2 digits after decimal. Now 2 1s are 2, 2 1s are 2, 0 0. 2 1s are 2 and 2 5s are 10. 0 2 9s are 18 and 2 2s are 4. Now r square is equals to, again it can be divided by 2. 2 5s are 10, 2 5s are 10 and 0. Here 2 7s are 40, 2 5s are 10, 2 4s are 8 and 2 6s are 12. 7 5 4 6 into 7 upon 550. Now let us try to divide this by 11 and see it happens or not. 11 6 are 66, 9 remainder 94, 11 8s are 88 and 6 remainder and 6 are 66. It can be divided by 11. So here 11 5s are 55, 0 as it is. 11 6 are 66, 11 8s are 88 and 11 6 are 66. Now this can be divided by 2. 2 2s are 4, 2 5s are 10, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8 and 2 3s are 6. Now r square is equals to 343 into 7 upon 25. So what will be the value of r? We will have to take the square root of this term. But before that we will factorize this 343, and the factorization of 343 is 7 into 7 into 7, and this 7 upon 25. Now if we take the square root, the value of r will be 7 into 7, 49 upon 5, because the square root of 7 into 7 is 7 and the square root of 7 into 7 is 7, and that 7 into 7 is 49 and the square root of 25 is 5. So here r is 49 upon 5, then diameter will be 49 upon 5 into 2, because the diameter is always 2 times of the radius. Now 49 into 2, 98 upon 5. So d will be equal to 5 1s are 5, 4 remainder, 5 9s are 45, 3, 5 6 are 30. So the value of diameter will be 19.6 meters. So this is the answer of the fourth part. Now fifth part. Here the solution of fifth part. Area is 24.64. So here area is equals to 24.64. Area, the formula for area, pi r square is equals to 24.64. Now pi 22 by 7, r square as it is equals to 24.64. Now we have to isolate this r square. So in the next step, r square will be equal to 24.64 into 7 upon 22, because this 22 by 7 will be in the reciprocal form after going to the RHS of the equal to. Now if this decimal is removed, 2 zeros will be placed here. Now 11 2s are 22, 0 0. 11 2s are 22, 2 remainder, again 11 2s are 22, 4 remainder and 11 4s are 44. R square is equals to 224 into 7 upon 200. Now 2 1s are 2, 0 0, 2 1s are 2, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. That is equals to 112 into 7 upon 100. But we can write this 112 as, here you can see the factorization of 112. 2 5s are 10, 2 6s are 12, 28, 14, 2 7s are 14 and 7 1s are 7. You can write 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 or 4 into 4 into 7. So the factors of 112 will be 4 into 4 into 7, and this 7 upon 100. Now if we take the square root of both the sides, the square root of 4 into 4 is equals to 4, and the square root of 7 into 7 is 7 upon the square root of 100 is 10. So R will be 28 upon 10, and that is equals to 2.8. But we have to find the value of diameter. So the diameter will be 2.8 into 2. Why? Because diameter is always 2 times of radius, and the answer will be 5.6 meters. The answer for diameter is 5.6 meter in this circle, which is having the area 24.64 meters square and the radius 2.8 meters. So we have completed all the parts of this question number 3, in which the areas of different circles were given and we had to find out the value of diameters. Now let's move to the question number 4. In question